Hello, I am Rahul and this is the polling system API. The API is hosted on this URL and the documentation is present on this URL. We can test all the endpoints on this documentation page, but for the video I'm going to test it in the Postman. This is the online database connected to the API. This is the folder of the project. In the controllers folder, this is questions controller file, and these are all the methods for the API for questions. And this is the create question method. Coming to the Postman, I have saved all these requests, and this is the domain variable that I created in the environment, and the value of the variable is this. And clicking on the send button, you can see the question is created, and in the response we got success, true, and the question. Going back to the online database, refreshing it. In the question, which one is your favorite programming language? Not this one. Who is your favorite from Ninja's mentor? The question is created here. And to create an option for the same question, I'm going to copy the ID of the question. In the create an option, in the params, I'm going to paste the ID here, and in the body I'm going to put the value Ankush Shingla. I'm going to send. I'm clicking on send, and here it is. The option is created and it is returning us the success true and option Ankush Shingla and the question. So going back to the DB, and if I refresh it again, if I expand the array, the object ID of the option is here, and going to the options, this is the our newly created option, and this option is having the ID of the question. And this is a delete a question endpoint. So if I want to delete that question, I can do that. I am copying the ID of that newly created question, and if I put it in the params, pasting that ID here and clicking on the send button, success true, question and associated options deleted successfully. And this is a delete an option endpoint. So if I want to delete an option, I'm going to options and refreshing it. So this is an option for another question. I'm copying the object ID of this question, and if I paste it here, this option has at least one vote, means the option can't be deleted because it has one vote. So if I go and check another one like Python has no votes, and if I put the ID here, option deleted successfully. It was deleted because it has no votes. And add vote to an option. So if I copy the ID of this option C++, and if I put it here, the ID, and click on send button, votes, earlier it was 1, now it is 2, you can check it here too, refreshing it, C++, now votes is 2. and to view a question with options. So if I go to question, and these are all the questions. So if I copy the ID of this question, which one is your favorite programming language, and if I put it here in the params, so this is the response. Success true. Question ID, which one is your favorite programming language? Options, first one is the C++, ID, everything of that option, and JavaScript, and then Java, and we deleted the Python earlier in this video. Thanks for watching this, and all the links for the API is present in the description. Thank you.